In this problem, we need to transform the given polar equation r squared equals to a squared cosine 2 theta into its Cartesian equation. Let us begin. Now, if we have the Cartesian coordinate x comma y, then this can be expressed in terms of its polar coordinate as r cosine theta comma r sine theta, meaning the value of x is going to be equivalent to r cosine theta and y will be equals to r sine theta. Now we can also express x over r. So what we're doing, we're dividing both sides by r. X over r as equals to cosine theta, and y over r will be equals to sine theta. Now we'll be using this fact. Coming to our polar equation, so here we are given r squared equals to a squared multiplied to cosine 2 theta. So our goal will be to convert this to a Cartesian equation. So let's say we're going to label this as equation number 1 and y equals to r sine theta as equation number 2. What we can do is we can square equation number 1 and add it to the square of equation number 2. So that's going to give us a relation x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Fine. This is done so that we can replace the value of r squared with x squared plus y squared equals to a squared times. Now here we have cosine 2 theta. Now cosine 2 theta, that's a standard trig identity with value given by cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Now the reason why we wrote cosine theta as x over r and sine theta as y over r, so we can use that fact here. So this will become equals to, so let's replace cosine squared theta with x over r. So we get x squared over r squared minus y squared over r squared. So that gives us x squared plus y squared equals to a squared over r squared whole multiplied to x squared minus y squared. Now we'll have to get rid of the r squared. That means write in terms of x and y. So we have r squared multiplied to x squared plus y squared. So that will be equals to a squared times x squared minus y squared. So let's substitute the value of r squared with x squared plus y squared, and finally we get the relation x squared plus y squared. Now here it's also multiplied to x squared plus y squared, so we get x squared plus y squared whole squared, and that will be equals to a squared times x squared minus y squared. So this is going to be the Cartesian equivalent of our given polar equation r squared equals to a squared times cosine 2 theta.